me, I'll listen for 5-10 minutes. Can you tell me why you like Trump or why?
I didn't say I like him. I was asking you.
You just why.
Yeah,
I
I'm not
agree with
asking
these
you.
people.
I just want to know your own opinion.
I think he's morally bankrupt. I don't think that he has any care for minorities, dark-skinned people, Latins. I don't think he has any care for white people that are not of the super rich. I think that he treats women like pieces of garbage. If only that he can buy women, can he even have them? And I can go on and on and on.
But will you say he's an intelligent man?
Oh, he's not an intelligent man. He's not a gentleman.
How can you not be intelligent and you be a billionaire?
Well, then I guess you're not too much in touch with reality about how politics and things work.
No, I'm talking about
many
his wealth.
people that are not, many people, many things happen in the world that are not just, they're not right, but they happen. And this, I don't know where you come from.
Nigeria.
Right.
Things are
Nigeria, again, everything that I've ever read about Nigeria, if you don't open your pocket and pay off everyone from the lowest to the highest, you don't get anything done. And I've read Nigerian artists, writers and things, and they all seem to say that. Also, now in Nigeria, if you're an intelligent Nigerian, you need to get out of that country if you want to get ahead. Because the powers that be there want to hold everybody down, especially women and especially intelligent people.
So
that's all
wrong.
fake news, right? That's all that I've heard about Nigeria that's fake news, right? That's more fake news out there, right?
You're not totally wrong.
Yeah. I know I'm not totally wrong because I read and I know. Right. And it's bullshit. It makes me sick.